So this is the Sungwoo full-size silicone keyboard that's silent. I picked it up about 2 months ago, and I've been using it on a somewhat daily basis as I do my gaming sessions to make sure I can give a full, proper review of it. And I must say, after the 2 months of use, it does do its job. Not fairly well, but it gets the job done. Since I'm particularly using the WAS setup, because I'm gaming, I'm not using a full keyboard. But I've checked out some other reviews. A lot of people have used it for taking notes in meetings and other situations where they need quietness, but to still be able to use a full-size keyboard. And it seems to work for them. So I figured I'd give it a shot. Now, in my use case scenario, I found that the keys are super squishy and they don't give any kind of feedback whatsoever. However, these aren't keys that you can give a light press to either, even though they're rubber. You have to give a significant amount of force to be able to get it to register within game, thus creating some issues later on if you've been gaming for quite a while. And I mean that by saying your fingers start to hurt because you're putting an excessive amount of pressure down to be able to get the keys to register. So while it does do what you need it to do for the most part, it comes with some caveats. Also, with the keys being super squishy, again, that tactile feedback is just not there. So you never know if you've got the full press that you need. However, there are some pros to this keyboard which makes it viable for some people. One being the fact that by it being fully silicone and rubber, it rolls up. You can stuff it in a corner. It doesn't take up any space whatsoever on your desk. Two is the fact that it is exactly what it says, quiet. It gets the job done. You don't have to hear anything. At least I haven't in the last 2 months. I have never heard one time where you stop with the damn clicking. So, all of that stuff out of the way, let me go ahead and give you guys a sound test so you can see what I'm talking about. That aside, I will say that this keyboard is ideal for most people. If you need a quiet keyboard and you need something that'll get the job done, maybe not to the best, but you're not going to be using it for an extended period of time, this keyboard will work well for you. However, if you're like me and your gaming sessions or your use of the keyboard will exceed several hours, this might not be the keyboard for you, and I would look elsewhere. That being said, my hunt for the perfect silent keyboard for late night gaming definitely continues. However, I will be using this in the meantime as, reasons. I got a game, bro. It's just what it is. Anyway, if you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss any videos I got coming in the future. And that's it for 2018, baby. It's a wrap. We will catch you in the new year.